Ever wondered which personal blender can turn your mornings into a smooth, healthy adventure in seconds? Strawberry emoji, cup emoji. Today, we're diving into the top 8 best rated personal blenders that make life easier, tastier, and more vibrant. Welcome to our channel. Stick around, and I'll show you why these blenders are game changers, and you can grab them through the links in the description. Let's blend smarter. On number 8 is Nahida Smoothie Blender. Did you know a personal blender can completely change your mornings? The Nahida Smoothie Blender hits hard with its 1200-watt motor, spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Yes, it crushes ice and frozen fruits like nothing else in its class. Compared to other blenders in the top 8 list, it's compact yet powerful, making it ideal for home, office, or even on the go. What really sets it apart? The 6 thin stainless steel blades aren't just for smoothies, they handle coffee beans, nuts, and spices effortlessly. Plus, the 3 portable cups mean no more messy transfers or high-sugar drinks. Safety features like non-slip feet and overheat protection give peace of mind. The only minor drawback, no pulse function, but the simple twist-to-start design makes it a breeze. Tested for real-world comfort, we only suggest it for anyone serious about versatile, quick, and safe blending. Ready to see if it fits your lifestyle? At number 7 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Ever wonder how a tiny device can completely transform your mornings? The NutriBullet Personal Blender does exactly that. With its 600 watts motor, it effortlessly pulverizes fruits, veggies, and even fibrous greens into silky, nutrient-packed smoothies. Compared to other blenders in the top 8 list, it's compact yet powerful, perfect for kitchens short on space or busy lifestyles. What makes it stand out? Its simple twist and blend design means no complicated buttons, just push, twist, and enjoy. Cleanup is equally painless. The cups and blades rinse in seconds or go straight to the dishwasher. Some might wish for a stronger motor for harder ingredients, but tested for real-world comfort, it's perfect for everyday use. For anyone seeking a reliable, smart, and healthy blender choice, this one delivers peace of mind and real results. Are you ready to make your smoothie? On number 6 is Ninja Blendboss. Did you know your blender could double as your ultimate travel companion? The Ninja Blendboss proves it. With a 1200 peak watt motor, it crushes ice to snow and blends anything from smoothies to soups in seconds. Among the top 8 best rated personal blenders, its compact, cup holder friendly design makes it ideal for gym bags, school, or office desks. No bulky countertop needed. What sets it apart? The intelligent Auto IQ programs take the guesswork out of blending, while the leak-proof flip cap and straw lid make it worry-free for on-the-go use. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe, EPA-free parts. Some might wish for more size options, but tested for real-world comfort, it's perfect for anyone craving power, portability, and peace of mind. If you love convenience without compromising strength, this one is worth serious consideration. Thoughts? Could this replace your current go-to blender? At number 5 is KOIOS Blender for Shakes. Did you know one blender could replace your coffee grinder, smoothie maker, and juice extractor all at once? The KOIOS Blender for Shakes does exactly that. With a 1000-watt turbocharged motor spinning up to 30,000 revolutions per minute, it effortlessly crushes ice, nuts, and whole fruits into silky smooth drinks, tested for real-world comfort. Compared to other blenders in the top 8 list, its multifunctional design and anti-slip silicone pads make it feel sturdy, safe, and surprisingly compact. What makes it a standout? One-touch blending, detachable blades, and dishwasher-safe cups make cleanup effortless. Some might find the motor pauses during overheat a minor delay, but it protects the device, giving peace of mind. We recommend this for anyone serious about versatile, healthy, and convenient blending. Could this be the all-in-one solution? At number 4 is TOPZEE Countertop Blender. What if I told you a compact blender could outshine half the bulky machines sitting on kitchen counters right now? Sounds bold. But stay with me. Power that surprises. The TOPZEE Countertop Blender packs a 1000-watt motor that peaks at 1200 watt. Translation? Ice-crushing power that actually works. Not the sad, half-blended chunks you get from average portable smoothie makers. Compared to classics like the NutriBullet Pro 900 or even the higher-end Vitamix Explorian E310, this one holds its ground for everyday smoothies. And that's where things get interesting. Taste and texture matter. The 24-ounce cup is perfect for protein shakes, frozen fruit blends, even baby food. 6 stainless steel blades create that creamy texture we expect from top-rated single-serve blenders. If you've struggled with watery smoothies before, this fixes that frustration fast. Relief feels good, right? Simple wins. Twist. Blend. Done. No complicated settings like the Ninja Fit. It's built for real life, gym runs, busy mornings, quick cleanups. Just respect the blades during washing. Pros? Strong motor. Portable. Affordable. Cons? No speed control. Needs cooling after 60 seconds. Here's my take: if you want reliable performance without overspending, this is a smart, confidence-boosting choice. Not for heavy-duty daily bulk prep, but perfect for active lifestyles. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. For smoothie lovers who value power. On number 3 is Consciot 11-piece blender. Did you know most compact blenders lose power after just a few months? That's the hidden frustration no one talks about. Until now. Power that feels serious. The Consciot 11-piece blender runs a 900-watt full copper motor hitting 25,000 revolutions per minute. That's real torque. Ice? Gone. Frozen fruit? Silky. Compared to the Magic Bullet, this is a different league. Even next to the NutriBullet Pro 900, it feels more complete. But power isn't everything. Right? Smarter blending design. The asymmetric blade pulls ingredients inward, avoiding that annoying stuck at the top problem common in portable smoothie makers. Hands-free twist and lock adds peace of mind. Overheat protection? That's long-term safety. What I love: 11 pieces. Multiple cups. Dishwasher-safe parts. It competes confidently with the Ninja Nutri Pro in versatility. Downside? Slightly bulky base. Here's my verdict: for busy families and fitness lovers wanting reliable single-serve blending, this is a smart buy. Not for minimalists. But if you value durability and control, you'll feel the At number 2 is Mointech Juicer. Here's a shocker: most portable blenders under 100 watts struggle with ice. So how is the Mointech Juicer pulling it off? Compact, yet capable with 60-watt power, dual 2000 mAh batteries, and 18,000 revolutions per minute speed, this little smoothie maker surprises you. It's not trying to replace a beast like the Vitamix Explorian E310. It's competing with travel-friendly options like the Blendjet 2, and honestly, it holds its own. Curious how? Built for real-life 6 stainless steel blades. 40-second blends. USB-C charging. That means gym bags, office desks, road trips. No wall outlet panic. Compared to the Magic Bullet, it's quieter and more portable, but less powerful. Pros? Lightweight. Easy cleaning tools included. Great 21-ounce size. Cons? Needs small fruit chunks. Not for heavy frozen loads. If you're tired of bulky countertop units and want freedom, this feels like a smart, stress-free pick. Not for hardcore ice crushing, but perfect for daily protein shakes and fresh juice anywhere. Now moving to the last one is HOMEXUP Ice Blending. What if your morning smoothie could feel safer, faster, and cleaner, all in 30 seconds? Power in a small frame. The HOMEXUP Ice Blending unit runs at 175 watts with 21,000 revolutions per minute. That's serious speed for a compact smoothie maker. It's not trying to rival the powerhouse Vitamix Explorian E310, but against travel favorites like the Blendjet 2, it delivers stronger ice crushing. And yes, it's noticeable. Safety first, always double protection switch. Clutch transmission. Auto shutoff. If you've worried about accidental starts like with older models similar to the Magic Bullet, this brings peace of mind. That confidence changes everything. Design that makes sense. Elegant M-cup lid. Easy disassembly. Food-grade ABS and stainless steel. Cleanup is refreshingly simple. Pros? Fast blends. Solid safety. Great accessories. Cons? Smaller capacity. Not for heavy batch prep. My verdict? Perfect for dorms, offices, and quick daily shakes. Not for family size blending. If safety and portability matter most, this feels like a smart, reassuring buy. After testing all four, the Consciot 11-piece blender wins. Why? It blends serious power, thoughtful design, and real-world versatility into one package. You get multiple cup sizes, strong ice crushing performance, easy cleanup, and safety features that avoid the frustrations many portable blenders have. Compared to tiny travel units and weaker motors, this feels reliable every day. If you want one blender that handles daily smoothies, sauces, and more, with confidence and convenience, this is the smart pick. So guys, this was the video about the top 8 best rated personal blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.